Hi. Hi.
Hello. It's a busy day here in Vegas, isn't it? I gotta get across the street. I gotta go to the bank. And then I gotta pick up my lunch and go to the office and go to work. I don't know if I'm gonna get through. It's awful busy today. I think they're doing some construction over 2 streets over the next block.
You was building a restaurant.
Huh?
He was building a restaurant.
Is that Antonio's restaurant?
No. He was building in the restaurant.
Oh. Man, I hope they get here fast. I need to get my kitchen open so we can make some business.
You aren't listening to LEGO radio. You probably aren't listening to the radio. The Brickster, the most dangerous man on the island, is in jail now, but for how long? Remember, do not feed the Brickster. The brick you save might be your own.
What is that? What are you doing? Hey, the ground's shaking. What's going on here? Beep, beep, beep. Hey,
Reminding you.
I can't steer anymore. The building's starting to collapse. Oh no, we're gonna crash. Oh no, the signs are all starting to shake. Look at all the signs. Oh, there goes the tower. Oh no. There's a major earthquake alert. Take cover immediately. Oh no, it's too late. We're gonna. Ah! I'm across my car. I'm stuck in my car. Ah, no. I can't move. Oh, we're sliding off. Ah. Vegas is almost gone. It's almost gone. Look out. I can't hold on anymore. Run. City's falling apart. Oh no. Somebody help us. Somebody save us, please. Oh no, not my favorite bakery. The bread's going all over the floor. Oh no, my donuts are everywhere. There's powdered sugar flying in the air. Oh no, I got jelly donuts filling all over me. Oh, I'm a mess. I can't get up. I can't move.
Content creator, not always looking for
Wee.
I found a place for you. Artists Southern.
We're coming to help you out. Anybody, everybody who can walk. Well, you're gonna have to help people.
Ow!
Ow! Oh, look out! There's a wheelbarrow on top of the sign. Huh? Look out! Oh. There's a wheelbarrow on top of the sign. It's gonna hit that man. Look out! Oh. I can't move my car, man. I can't get my car to move. Oh no! I lost my ice cream. Oh no! I'm worried about your ice cream, kid. There's a plane coming. Duck! Get down! Jump for your life! There's still pieces falling out of the sky. Oh no! Oh, look out!
Oh, is that all? I think it's over. Oh, another one. Oh, I guess not. Ah. I think that's it. Oh, one last Jeep fell out of the sky. I hear a sound. What is that? Jump! It's a cement truck. That's it. Oh man, Las Vegas is gone. It has been completely. This is the news. We have an emergency news bulletin. Las Vegas was struck with a catastrophic earthquake and plane crash at the same time. The whole city has been leveled and has fallen into the earth. Las Vegas is no more. It has returned to a desert. How many people have been injured? There is no way to tell right now. But we know for sure that the devastation is catastrophic. And this may be bad enough that Las Vegas, as you knew it, is no longer exists. They will have to completely rebuild the city. Fires are racing across the city. There are no voices because either people have been injured so badly and in the hospital, or those that could leave have left. We will have more updates. It was
as the
destroyed.
story develops.
It was destroyed.
It was completely destroyed. After the 9.5 sustained earthquake swallowed up the buildings and people of Las Vegas, a major 737 airliner crashed right into the remaining buildings. One bakery was left, and even that, everything was destroyed in there.
Oh no, it's a crack.
Oh no. There's a major crack we found. Is this where it could have started? Is it in this area? Let's go to Liam. He is live on the scene. Liam, you are an expert. What happened here today? It sounds like the city is on fire. Oh no. We need to get out of here. I hear fire trucks in the background and police sirens and ambulances as they try to race to clear the streets and help those that are buried in the rubble and recover them so they can survive. The hospital has been completely destroyed, so field units are flying out patients to other hospitals.
The phone, it's broke.
Oh no. The phone's broke?
It dropped out and about to quit.
Oh no, it fell. There's a crack in the ground. Look, it's gone. Everything is falling. I'm trying to move my Jeep and I can't get it. It's lodged on top of this truck.
Tsunami!
Ah, not a tsunami. Not the fence! Not the fence! minutes.
There's nothing left but the light stands, the lamp posts of the street is all that's left. Las Vegas is gone. Where there's nothing at all left.
It's the end of the world in 2090.
It is the end of the world in Las Vegas, Nevada. Is gone.
In 2090.
Some people might be happy about that.
In
Others are
2090.
really sad. In 2090, the city is evaporated and dissolved into the ground. It is an underground city of rubble. We can tell stories of what Las Vegas once was.
They went to the future.
And now Las Vegas is gonna be new. They're gonna build way above the ground and be built into the sky.
They build Las Vegas into the future.
Yes, they can't. Earthquakes cannot destroy it now. It is built above the ground. And Las Vegas is our first futuristic city on Earth, where cars fly on highways in the sky, and taking a trip to the moon on a plane is normal daily activities. There's no more grass to cut. There's no more trees to rake leaves. Because now you live in the sky in Las Vegas. Welcome to the future. Las Vegas 2090. The end.